Welcome to the Mortgage Minute, where we're going to discuss today Japan, in the yen, Russia's gas supply or lack of, and then Federal Chairman Powell spoke earlier this morning, and we're going to see how that affected the market. So without further ado, let's get to it. Here's where mortgage rates are, but let's skip over to the news first. Federal Chairman Powell just came out earlier this morning and said, we're going to do everything we need to do to curtail inflation. Well, they've been saying that for the past several months, and they're doing what they need to do, I guess. So the next thing is, let's go. The headline news. What are we facing today that will play a role in stocks and in mortgage rates? So we go here, the yen slumping, that's Japan, Russia squeezes Europe, and Powell speaks. Well, Powell already spoke, and the good news behind all this, you could still see the Dow Jones is still positive. It was a little bit higher positive earlier, and it's starting to come down, but we're still in positive ranges. You can see right over through here, all the markets are positive right through there. So let's get down through this. What they're saying is basically Japan is not going to follow the suit of all the other, basically most of the other countries trying to curtail inflation, and that is right in here. Russia is putting a squeeze on the natural gas in Europe. That's going to hurt there, especially when it comes to their inflation, and might trickle over to us. And stocks set to bounce modestly after Federal Chairman Powell speaks. Well, he already spoke, and the markets are still doing okay. So the economic calendar for today was basically Federal Chairman Powell speaking. He already spoke, and I like the markets where they are. So let's get to the MBSs right now. Let's refresh this because I haven't refreshed it since we started. Let's see what the direction is. Oh, we just went from +5 to -9. So I'm okay with the -9 as long as we stay in a realm. We don't go -10 to -15. Once we hit a -15 in this area, we're going to see rates start to move. So what exactly is this for the newbies? So if you're new to the channel, we follow this, and this is how we basically monitor what's going on with mortgage rates. This is the bond that trades on Wall Street that's yield is the biggest part of your mortgage rate. Okay, so that's the only thing I really want you to know about this part of this, other than this number right here is what we watch. And it has an inverse, or I'll say a flip-flop effect, when it comes to mortgage rates. So meaning when this is down, mortgage rates go up. So we love when this thing goes up. But if you can see the chart down below, we haven't really seen a lot of up days in the last 6 months or so. So you see the trajectory down below was nothing but basically a bloodbath for the last 6 months, but we had a little reprieve, and then we kind of hiccuped right through here, and that's when the Federal Reserve came out and did what they did with the shocking 75 basis point move. So what's that doing to rates? Well, here's where rates ended yesterday. Mortgage News Daily has not posted their rates yet today. They do a national average, or a survey of lenders all over the country. These are the averages. What I want you to focus in on is not specifically the rate. We'll take the rate into context, but I want you to check out the movement in the rate, okay? You can see right through in these areas, nothing really moved here. So there's no really consequences here other than VA. VA, for some reason, yesterday had a huge hiccup, and it bucked the trend than any other direction. So if you're in the process of getting a VA loan and you're locked in, or you haven't locked in, we'd love to help you, because if you locked in yesterday, you could probably get great reprieve today. So that is our Mortgage Minute. If you would like to find out more about me and my team, go to therateupdate.com. And here you go. You can find us or reach out to us anyway up this way. I did fix our Calendarly event, or our Calendarly calendar, the book a meeting up here. It was out, and I don't know why it was out. So I fixed that yesterday. You can go back in there and schedule meetings. I am wide open for the next month because the system was down for about a week, I think. So it is now fixed. But if you'd like to also chat with us when you're on live, there's a chat bot right here that's going to pop up after about 5 seconds that you're on. Feel free to ask any questions you're on there. And if you see me on there, just say hi. I'd love to talk to you. So God bless, guys. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.